How to use subprocess command with pipes. I want to use subprocess.check_output with PSAY process_name. I tried various solutions, but so far nothing worked. Can someone guide me how to do it?
To use a pipe with the subprocess module, you can pass shell equals true, but be aware of the security considerations. It is discouraged using shell equals true. In most cases, there are better solutions for the same problem. However, this isn't really advisable for various reasons, not least of which is security. Instead, create the PS and grep processes separately, and pipe the output from one into the other, like so. In your particular case, however, the simple solution is to call subprocess.check_output, PS, and then str.find on the output.
Or you can always use the communicate method on the subprocess objects. The communicate method returns a tuple of the standard output and the standard error.
You can try the pipe functionality in sh.py.
See the documentation on setting up a pipeline using subprocess, this URL. I haven't tested the following code example, but it should be roughly what you want.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.